Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your profile on Facebook. So to lock your profile on Facebook, you open the Facebook app, navigate to your settings, scroll down and go to the section where it says audience and visibility. At the first option, you click on profile locking. Now you're going to see an option to lock your profile. If you click on it, it's going to load and lock your profile. As you can see right here, my profile is locked. So if you want to unlock your profile, you go back to your settings. Go to Audience and Visibility tab, click on Profile Locking. Now you're going to see an option to unlock your profile. If you want to do so, click on it. Click on Unlock. And your profile will be unlocked. So that's how you lock and unlock your profile on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.